The accelerator for me and for us, in one word, I would use the word booster. You already came up with the best word, I think, already, and it has been a booster. It has boosted our efforts from early on and continues to do that. So I'm Stefanos Theoharis. I'm the CEO of OneChain Immunotherapeutics. We are a spin-out from the Institute Josep Carreras. We are a 4.5-year-old company, but have grown already to be the largest CAR-T company in Spain. We are one of the companies that have benefited quite significantly from the BCN Health Booster. We are located at the PCB, and we are a team of 16 people already in the company. The BCN Health Booster has contributed to our company in two very significant ways. The first one is the lab space and our ability to start the R&D operations from very early on, from the inception of the company. That's been very crucial for us and very important to start the company. And the second one is with the training and allowing us to develop the talent in the company, develop the skills and the expertise that the company needs in order to perform the translational step between the academic lab and the patients, and then eventually towards the market. Our company has achieved a number of important milestones and has enjoyed significant success so far. We importantly were able to bridge that gap between the academic discovery and the patients. So within the 4 years of our existence, we were able to commence clinical trials and be able to bring these products already to patients. I believe that this was done in a very rapid way. Compared to others in the space. And I think importantly, we have also been able to expand the pipeline of new products that will reach more patients for the future. So for me, both of these are very important, but certainly being able to reach the patients has been for me a significant milestone and success factor for the company. I think what's very important for companies like us and the field in general, in the future, we need to be able to bring these new technologies, these new innovations to more patients. And there are many ways to do that, and we're working on many fronts in order to achieve that. But certainly the patient access and bringing more patients into the use of these technologies is very important. We are developing new next generation products that enable us to reach more patients within the leukemia space where we initially started. In parallel, we are working on so-called allogeneic cell therapies that are derived from material taken from donors, not the patient anymore, and enable us to be able to bring these treatments to patients immediately without the need to manufacture material from the patient. We're therefore able to bring better quality products immediately available and at a lower cost to many more patients. That's been an important milestone for the company, and we are developing that very rapidly. And lastly, moving into solid tumors, which is another area of still very significant unmet medical need, has been very important for us. So we are already developing our first product in the solid tumor space for glioblastoma, brain cancer, and we are very hopeful about our ability to bring these new technologies to these patients as well. Okay.